In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload file in Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach media to a character in your library so it's easy to reuse across projects. First, open the Magnific Desktop app and head to the main workspace. On the left sidebar, select Library. This is where all your reusable assets live. For our example, we'll create a new character so we can upload a file as a reference. Choose Create to start a fresh character. You'll land on the Details view. Give your character a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can find it later. Next, specify the gender if it's relevant to how you plan to use this character, such as voice or style choices. Then select a voice. Click Select a Voice, browse the options, and choose the one that best fits your character's tone. This helps keep your content consistent. You can add a description if you want to capture backstory, usage notes, or guidance for collaborators. In the Available in Projects section, check that the character will be accessible where you plan to work. If you collaborate, the Share with People section is where access can be managed so the right teammates can use this asset. Now, go to References. This is where you'll attach your file. Click Select to open the media picker. From here, you can click Upload Media or choose an existing image if it's already in your library. Select your file and confirm the choice, then click Add. Magnific will attach the media to the character as a reference, keeping it neatly organized. To finish, click Create Character. Your character is now saved with the uploaded file linked in its references. You can return to library anytime to view or update it, and the character will be ready to use across your projects with its media right at your fingertips. That's it. Your file is uploaded and attached to a character in Magnific AI Desktop, cleanly organized and ready for production.